Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to resolve unspecified error occurred during system restore, then please look at the following options. So the first option we have is to run an SFC scan. So how do we do that? We look for command prompt, right click, run as administrator, click on yes, and we input the command sfc space slash scan now. SCANNOW and press enter. Now, if that doesn't fix the error, then we do a system restore to a previous date. So how do we do that? We search for recovery, look for this panel recovery, open system restore, and if you have a previous date of a system restore, you click that date and click next and finish, and this will restore your system to an earlier date. Now, if that too doesn't work and the error is coming even after the system restore at an earlier date, then we need to reset the entire Windows software. And how do we do that? We right click on the start button, look for settings, and then click on system, look for recovery, and click reset PC. Now we have to click on remove everything because you are now going to completely reset the system to recover from the error. So I would suggest that you back up your personal files and anything that you would not want to delete forever. So click on remove everything and click on cloud download. So what cloud download does is it downloads the original copy from the Microsoft servers, the clean copy, and it will then restore the system from that point. So click on that and click next and follow the steps, and you should be able to recover from this error. I hope this video helped you. If so, then please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy your day.